Good morning, guys. We are here now at Almond Drive Condominium, located at Tangki, Talisay. So, as you can see, mga ready for occupancy units na gid ang ato ang mga unit diri. So, wala na yung mga under construction. So, kung mo decide ka mo kuha, pwede na jud ka makapuyo within 30 days. But, for now, ang atong mga units, gamay na lang kayo. We have studio unit, 1 BR, and 2 bedrooms. So, ang atong freebies makuha diri kumukuha ka, libre na atong parking. So, free parking for studio 20 square meter, 1 bedroom, and 2 bedrooms. So, dako na kay nga privilege nimo kung makuha kag unit diri. Kaya ang atong parking karon for now na nasa mga 800 to 1 million. So, dako kay kag ma-save. And ang atong reservation is from 30 down to 20,000 na lang. So, from reservation, discounted na imuhang kwarta from 30 down to 20. So, if you are willing to avail a unit here, just message me below and we will assist you from site viewing, reservation, and turnover of your unit. Thank you and God bless.